Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to delete Google Chrome history in your Android mobile phone, as well as delete all suggested history in Google Chrome search box. So how to delete this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone, and after opening that, go to your settings of your Android mobile phone. After settings that, find out a Google option. Now you can see that find out a Google. Now simply click on it, and after opening that, click on a Google accounts info security and personalization. So simply click on it. Okay guys, after that, now you can see that some different options appear. So you can select data and personalizations. So click on it. After that, you can see data activity controls. Now first of all, you can see that the first option is a web and app activities. So simply click on it. Okay guys, after that, scroll down and click on manage activities. Now you can see that a different two browsers. So first select Google Chrome. So click on just one and wait for a few seconds. Okay, new window is open. After that, in the search box, you can see that three dots. So simply click on it, and you can see that the first option is delete activity by. So simply click on it. After that, delete by topic and products. Search by keywords or filter by products. Then select the delete results from the more options menu and delete. Now select the period which is want to delete it. So I select all time, and after that select the products. Now you can see that you can see some different Google products. You can select Google Chrome, and after that you can see that delete option. So simply click on it, and after that click on OK button. Click on delete button. Control your and close. Now all the activities in Google Chrome is deleted. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.